Here, though, we've got some rain that we're dodging. I just heard a little bit of thunder.
On cue, rumbles of thunder here, and I want to kind of show you what the storms look like from afar, and then we're going to show you what the storms look like from where it's raining. This is Sumiton. We're looking back towards some of these storms, so not seeing a whole lot of rain in Sumiton. Had some wet weather earlier. Temperatures right now in Sumiton sitting at 72, mostly cloudy sky, but here comes the rain. This is in Hoover, so please be careful on the roadways. Highway 31 still looks like traffic's moving just fine, but we know when that rain starts to fall, things get a little bit dicey on the roadways. All right, temperatures right now in Hoover sitting at around 70, but here's a look at where the rain is setting up right now. So as we're continuing to track these storms, putting these in motion, not moving incredibly fast, moving at about 20 to 25 miles per hour right now. So as we track these storms, now we're starting to see this line of thunderstorms from Reform and Gordo. That's really starting to pick up a little bit. The frequency of lightning really increasing in this particular storm system. This is moving over Highway 82 there from Reform down to Gordo. This is going to be tracking south from Nolan down towards Kirk and then on to Pioneer. All right, we've got the storm system right now in northern Tuscaloosa County as well. But again, this is kind of tracking due south. I think the edge of this is going to be clipping the city of Tuscaloosa. The arrival time in Tuscaloosa is going to be at about 5:14 there. So we'll continue tracking that. And then back into the Birmingham Metro. This is where the rain is the heaviest right now, from Oak Grove stretching back to Bessemer, moving south of Hueytown now. And most of the heavy rain is moving south of Homewood, now beginning to move into Hoover. So here's where we're looking at those storms. So from Hoover down to Pelham, that time of arrival will be 5:07. And then from Bessemer down towards Brantleyville at about 5:13 to 5:15. Rain showers in Lee Branch will continue their move along Highway 280. We have some heavy rainfall right now in Harpersville and tracking thunderstorm down towards Hillsdale and Columbiana. That's actually not moving as quickly, so we could start to see some ponding on roadways there. As we move through the evening hours, those cluster of thunderstorms kind of fan out to the south and to the east. So these storms are moving from the north to the southeast. They'll continue that track through about 6 to 7 o'clock tonight. Thunderstorms are going to dwindle shortly after sunset tonight. I think by 8 to 9 o'clock, things will quiet down quite a bit. We'll still be left with some cloud cover and some patchy fog by tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now low to mid 70s. Tomorrow morning, we're talking mid 60s, 63 in Birmingham, 65 in Tuscaloosa. Through the day tomorrow, much like today, we'll start off quiet and dry, but by mid to late morning, thunderstorms developing, becoming much more numerous by afternoon, producing isolated pockets of heavy rain, frequent lightning, and some gusty winds. We do get a brief break on Friday. Temperatures starting out on Friday in the 60s. By lunchtime on Friday in the mid to upper 70s, low 80s Friday afternoon. Not as many showers. I'll call it spotty rain on Friday, but drier until that cold front moves in this weekend. An area of low pressure to our north is going to swing this cold front across central Alabama. Could be a bit of a messy and rainy Saturday. Difference being, this will be in a more organized band of rain. Once it moves out, we're done, and then drier air will be moving in, and those dew points begin dropping. And that dry air, as it begins to move in, will allow for those dew points to fall back into the 40s and 50s by next week, making it feel quite more comfortable as we head into next week. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast.